everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited that you decided to stop by. Today is another great invite challenge, and this one is being hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy, and I will be sure to leave a link to her channel below. You will love her channel. She is amazing. So the idea behind this invite is you can showcase pretty well anything, a DIY project or a decor item or the way you've decorated your home for the holidays. And I'm excited to show this. I did a couple of really simple DIYs. Not even really DIYs, they are just sprucing up what I had. They were looking a little old, and I like to breathe new life into some of the stuff that I use at Christmas time. So I want to show you what I did, and then I'll show you where I put it in my home. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the playlist from this invite, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that below as well. I know there's going to be some great ideas, some great decor. I can't wait to see it all. It's a really fun one to look at, and Christina's are usually beyond fantastic. So be sure to check out the playlist and check out everybody else's videos. So before I get going and show you what I did, I just wanted to say thank you to Christina for hosting this once again. It's a great invite, and it's a great way to see what other people are doing, to meet other YouTubers and DIYers and everything. It's so much fun. So thank you, Christina, for hosting this. So let's get going, and I'll show you what I did to bring new life to some old pieces, and a couple of really quick, really simple DIY things and how I used them. I love the look of flocked trees, but I don't want to pay that kind of price. So I found this can of snow spray at a local hardware store, and I'm just going to give a couple of coats to these two trees that I have had for years, and hopefully I'll get a flocked look out of it. For the next project, I decided to add some red paint to this old Santa sleigh that I have had, again, for years. And it's red and green, and I was never thrilled with the green color, so I decided to give it a quick coat of paint. And with the faux fur, I'm going to trim around the edge, and I think that's going to look really, really cute. Unfortunately, I forgot to tape it, but I think you get the idea. I just hot glued the faux fur around the top edge. Here's the finished sleigh, and I love it. I actually gave it a coat of snow spray as well to give it a little bit of snowy look, and added dollar store presents and a dollar store reindeer with them. So for the next project, I took again a Dollar Tree snowflake just made out of wood, and I'm going to give it a quick coat of paint with some white chalk paint I had lying around the house. Now, although the snowflake looked much better painted, I decided to take it up one more notch, and while the paint was wet, I sprinkled on some gold glitter onto it. Then here it is when it's all dry. It's pretty, isn't it? And again, I'm not quite finished with it, so I decided to take this dollar store silver snowflake and hot glue it into the middle. And I just love the way it looks. And now I'm going to show you how I used these snowflakes. I actually hung some command hooks in my main floor washroom, bathroom, and I put the snowflakes up there. And then I had this little Merry Christmas tree in white and gold from last year. Can you believe it? I forgot I had it. And this beautiful gold reindeer. All of this stuff is from the dollar store. And then just to bring in some color, because I do have some color in the rest of the bathroom, I put this little red, white, and green Christmas ball at the base of the tree. Now I'm going to add some Christmas towels to my towel bar. Some of my favorite ones, these Santa towels. I just love them, and they always have a place in this room. Then in the corner over here by the mirror, this is another item that I spruced up last year, the Santa boot, and I will leave the link to that DIY that I did last year. And on the other side, of course, the matching towel to the middle one that's on my towel rack. And here we go. Here is a look at all the items in my bathroom, and I think it looks so pretty. I love that Santa boot. I'll be sure to leave the link to that because that's quite the transformation too. And my towels, my Santa towels, I just love those. And I am so happy with the way the shelf and the wall turned out. It looks so pretty, and I can't believe I actually had this white and gold Christmas tree from last year with the gold reindeer. I think this just looks fantastic, and the snowflakes, I love them. This is the table that is right at the entrance when you walk into my dining room, and I love it. It's always fun to decorate this for the different seasons, and this Santa is one of my all-time favorite decorations that I have. And here's a look at my dining room table. I participated in the DIY Christmas centerpiece last week, and I'll be sure to link that video below. That was a lot of fun. I love setting my table for Christmas, but I'm in love with the way this table turned out. It sparkles and glistens, and it's just fun and festive. I really love it. And now a look at the trees. Here they are. They're sitting on my dining room buffet, and I love the way they turned out. They really do look pretty. These little presents were part of another DIY Look for Less challenge, and I'll leave that video below. And then this wreath is just from IKEA, but I did add the ribbons and the balls. But look at the trees. They're so pretty when they are lit up, and I added on some red and green and gold balls. They look gorgeous. I'm sure I'll be adding more decorations to them, but for now, I'm pretty happy with them. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some inspiration to perhaps look at something with a fresh pair of eyes. Maybe think about reinventing it a little bit and breathing some new life maybe into an old favorite. And remember, it's all about what you love, making it your own to suit your own decor. That's what it's all about. Make it your own, and if you love the piece and you just want to spruce it up, I say go for it. It's a lot of fun. I have had so much fun this year taking some older pieces and giving them a little twist or a new look, and without having to spend a lot of money on new decor. That has been the best thing. So once again, thank you, Christina, for hosting this invite. It was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see the playlist. I know there's going to be so many fabulous items. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will think about giving it a thumbs up and maybe even sharing it with some family and friends to show them that, you know, spruce up something old and it'll look brand new. That's a lot of fun. So feel free to share it. And if you are new here, I hope that you'll think about subscribing and joining the family here. I'd love to have you join me each week. I try to post videos every Wednesday on either cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, anything home related. And I'd love to have you join me each week with these videos. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.